Guys, we bought a car.
This is our 2007 Toyota 4Runner. First of all, if you're new to the channel, we are Yvonne and John, and in 2018, we left our jobs to travel full-time.
Then unfortunately, the pandemic happened, which kind of put a stop on our overseas travels, but right now, we're actually getting ready for our next adventure.
Yes, we are going to be converting this car into an off-grid, home on wheels. We're going to be traveling throughout the United States, except for Hawaii and Alaska, where we're going to connect with nature and kind of go into national forests and other dispersed locations.
So we'll show you around and kind of explain everything that we're going to be doing to make it all happen.
So our first modification on the car was already done, which is these rims and tires, because when we first purchased the car, it came with these Jeep rims and tires that were actually too big for the car. And we had to just swap it out into Toyota rims, as well as these Cooper AT3 tires. They're all-terrain. We also changed some of the suspension system because we're going to be putting a lot of weight on this car, so we wanted to make sure that it was able to hold everything.
So up here, we're going to be changing this roof rack because we're going to be installing a rooftop tent where we're going to be sleeping throughout this trip.
So back here in the trunk space, we are going to be building a cargo area that's going to be holding all of our essential gear. We're also going to be having a solar-powered electrical system. We're going to install a fridge as well as a charging station so that we could stay off the grid for as long as we like.
We're also going to be making a series taking you through the process of the build. So if you like, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we post a video.
So we are very excited about this because it will be our first time building something like this. It's going to be our first time traveling through the United States as well as camping. So we hope to see you all in the next one. Take care.
Bye!
And go.
I'm so short!
Powered, and we're all
And then unfortunately the pandemic